Kevin G with a weather overview. Good evening, everybody. And we have an interesting setup for wintry weather from late Saturday night into Monday night. It'll be intermittent, but nonetheless, it will deliver some formidable challenges across the region in the form of mixed precipitation and ice, mainly for much of the tri-state area. Here's Lee Goldberg off of ABC 7. This is a snowfall to date in Central Park. How we got here was very interesting with the underperforming blizzard of 2015. And then we had the snow and ice back on Monday. So this all, and some other nickel and dime events, but this is all accumulated to about 20.1 inches there in Central Park. Here are the Intellicast.com temperatures at this hour. This is the actual air temperatures. And tomorrow morning, Intellicast.com has our wind chills near 0. That means that the actual air temperature might be a few degrees above that, but on your skin, that's what it's going to feel like. So once that Arctic front moved through this morning at around 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning, it was all downhill from there as we are back into a very potent Arctic air mass, but that is going to be short-lived over the next 24 to 36 hours. What we'll notice by Saturday is that our temperatures come up, and as AccuWeather.com shows, we're going to have this nearby frontal boundary, and that's going to serve as the focus for a lot of wintry weather from Saturday night through Monday night. But this is not the classic way that this area gets a lot of heavy snow. In fact, if you notice the proximity of the front so close to the tri-state area, it's going to present a lot of icing issues rather than heavy snow. So basically the trend of the models over the last couple of days has been for them to push the heaviest snow north of I-84. Hartford, Boston, Albany, all these places stand the chance over a long duration winter storm to get about a foot of new snow. On the other hand, we're going to be too close to that front. So what's going to ultimately happen is we're going to have intermittent shots of precipitation from Saturday night through Monday night. When they come through, it'll be oscillating between snow, sleet, and freezing rain. And that'll get out of here by Monday night. So most of the area is going to have to deal with significant icing and a lot of treacherous travel. So you'd almost rather the snow in this scenario, but that's not what we're going to get. We're going to get a lot of mixed precipitation. And over the course of a 24 to 36 hour period, as long as that front just kind of sits there, we're going to be subject to these waves of precipitation moving through. And although it won't be incredibly heavy, it'll be enough to slow you down on the roads. And Telecast.com had your temperatures there. You notice that the moderating trend happens by Saturday, but then once that front clears the area by Monday night, once the precip kind of shuts off, we're back into the Arctic air again. So the moral of the story is, yes, it's a changeable forecast. There could be some changes to it before we actually settle in on the actual details, but the trend has been for more ice than snow across the region in an intermittent fashion from Saturday night through Monday night. So a long duration winter event setting up for early next week.